Bro, so look, let me tell you about this girl, right? So I was just chilling, right, bro? And like, we was at school and she was sitting down around in that little corner over there that, nobody really go around. And then next, no, I was just chilling. And then next, she wanna, get up. Bro, you good? Oh, no, I'm cool, bro. I'm straight. Go ahead, it's good. So anyways, next thing you know, that's when like I was just going ahead. She got up, right? And I'm just like, I was finna go over there. So I ran over there to go catch up to her, and then next Bro, you sure you good? Cause like I can go get some water for you, bro.
It's
if you
all
need
good, bro.
some.
It's
Like
good,
I'm serious.
good, bro.
I can go
It's
get
good,
you
bro.
some water
Straight.
if you need
Good,
some.
good. The last one probably.
Next thing you know, that's when like I was just going ahead. She got up, right? And I'm just like, I was finna go over there. So I ran over there. Bro. I can. Anyway, back to what you was. Bro. Where you go, bro? Bro.